Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So market stands relatively quiet. It's just a few reasons. As you know, it's holiday. It's Martin Luther King Day in the United States. It's also markets are waiting for PPI numbers and probably the coming debt sale discussion is also make nervous the investors, and especially when we have a really big confrontation between the House of Representatives and Department of State currently in the United States. So it might be a really tough discussion in nearest term. That's why we do not see really big changes currently. So as we said in the weekly report, the nearest resistance that we intend to use as a target is approximately 1945, 1950, because this is monthly overbought level. So maybe we do not have the fib level, but monthly overbought is a relatively strong area, and hardly gold will pass through it, just occasionally. It means that we're mostly considering taking the long position because major levels already have been broken, and or watching for patterns that might be formed. So as we said, since market shows really strong trend and performance on the daily and above time frames, we are not considering taking the short position. At the same time, those who trade on intraday charts, on the hourly chart or even lower time frames, it's not forbidden. So if you will see some minor bearish patterns are forming there, you could try to use it for the targeting some minor pullback. So here we are not considering any levels that stand below 1850, because you can see here that daily trend remains bullish only until 1850. And 1850 is also the daily oversold level. So very interesting, mostly only with this most recent upward direction for position taking. Speaking on the levels on the follow time frame chart, we already talked about this. So it's two major levels that's matched to our conditions. This is 1885 approximately, and 1860, 1870 is confidence support. It's two major levels that we're watching. For our time frame has turned bearish. And according to the tactics that we discussed in the weekly report, now we should wait when the market will reach one of these levels and then see what response will be. In the case of the upward reversal and trend will turn bullish once again here, we could consider taking the long position. So that's what we are watching for right there. On the hourly chart, we have extension had been formed recently, this ABCD pattern. First target stands in the OP around 19 even, which is also 30% support. XOP stands 1890. It's also agreement area with the next 618 support. These two levels we also could consider on the hourly chart. That theoretically might be interesting for position taking. 1890, as you can see, also very close to this 1884, 30%. So we have the confidence support around this level and agreement with the XOP. So this is particularly interesting level for position taken, considering position taken, because there's a really good chance that market could show significant response, significant bounce up from this level. So that's all for now, just because you can see oil price action stands slow, market is not at the target, market is not at the major levels. So let's keep watching what will happen, and hopefully in nearest time we will get some chances for position taking.